Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channels. Today video is related to the Australian Construction Visa. So today video I will tell you about what is Australian Construction Visa, what documents you require to apply on this visa, what's the deadline and what's the procedures of this visa, how to apply for this visa. So first of all, we will discuss about what documents you require for this visa, okay? For this visa especially, you don't need IELTS, you don't need bank statements, you don't have age limits like less than 50 years you can apply on this visa, okay? And there is not requires too much experience. At least you have 1 year's 6-month experience, you can apply on this visa, okay? And plus you need your passports, that is most important documents, and plus your if you have education like matric, FSC, like university education, you can also include, okay? And if you have experience letters, you can also include on your application. And another question is, what is Australian Construction Visa? Australian Construction Visa, like they open like in June, July 2023, okay? I can give you example, like in China, there is mostly people live in like north, east and south sides, okay? And there is not too many people, like 5 to 10% people, they are living in west sides. So this situation is same like in Australia. There is almost 85 to 90% people, they are living in north, east and south sides, okay? And the west sides, there is not too many people, like 5 to 10%. And no Australian government decided to make, new cities, like new industries, new factories and new domestic houses and new roads in west sides, okay? They want to develop that area and they have really needs, skillful laborers. When I talk about skillful laborers, skillful labor must have some certificate, okay? You can also check list. I will at the end of video, I will also tell you which type of positions they have and how you can apply on this position. And the next question is, who can apply on this visa, okay? The peoples from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Asia and Africa, they can apply on this visa. Because before from these countries, peoples, they are going to study there, okay? After graduation, they got degree and they can apply on this visa, okay? But no, they really need almost 55,000 positions. So there is people from England, UK, USA, they are not going to, cover these jobs. So they are taking from people from these. The next question, how I can help you? I will try my best to help you in comments, reply to your messages. And plus in my last video, there is too many people, they gave me emails, they gave me text. So it's not possible to, for me to reply to everyone, okay? So I will cover all these things in this video. And the next question is how you can apply on this visa, okay? Like you can apply by yourself because when you apply by yourself, you also get 10,000 Australian dollars, okay? They also announce if you got job there, you will join there and they will give you almost $10,000 to cover your expenses like your tickets, what expenses you're on visa, everything give. And the next procedure is like how you can apply on this visa, okay? And they have, they announce the ministry websites. I also give link to descriptions. You can go on that websites. You can search countries like if you're from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, you can search from Africa. You can search even by cities and even by countries. When you write your country name there, there is too many lists, there are too many people coming there and they are properly registered from Australian governments, okay? They are not fraud, they are not going through any bad things. You just need to, contact with them. They will process your application. They will recharge you a little bit. Let's go to the Australian websites. I will tell you how you will find agencies. So let's come to my desktop. First of all, we will discuss about what is construction visa subsidy program, okay? So this is basically you need to write on Google construction visa subsidy program Australia. So this is the first link. You need to open first link and just need to go inside, okay? So this is the first link open, okay? So here is the basically CVSP like construction visa subsidy programs. Like I told you, you will get $10,000. Like if your employers can receive payments of up to 10,000 per skills. Like if he or she can hire one person, he will get per person like 10,000 per, okay? Like per skills, okay? Skill. Another one, if you can apply, who can apply for their visa offshores, okay? Will receive payment of $10,000 in 2 milestone, okay? 5,000 and 5,000, okay? And this one, eligible skills migrants who are already insured with the CVSP commences, okay? He will also get 5,000 Australian dollars. Okay, so this is the basically websites. So how you can apply on this visa, you need to click on this link, and then you need to go here. So how you can find you are in the list of skillful workers, you need to check. Like first of all, we will discuss about which type of programs they have. I will go here inside. So first of all, we will check about list. Okay, skillful worker list. Yes, eligible occupations. So this is the list. Okay, you need to check carefully. If you are inside the list, you can apply. Like if you are construction project managers, project builders, surveyors, civil engineers, plumber, civil engineers, electrical engineers, carpenter, glazier, roof tiller, plumbers, like lift mechanic, cabinet makers, interiors, like load operators, concreters, steel fixers. So they are mostly jobs for skillful worker. Okay, it's almost like these type of jobs, and they have visa almost 190 visa you can apply and 491. Okay, so this is the skillful worker list, and this is the visa. Which visa you can apply? You can get 190 and 491 visa. And how you can apply on this visa? You need to click on this link. Okay. So first link you need to click in order to apply on this visa. Okay. So here is the list, like how you can apply on this visa. So here is the link. You need to click first. I read all information. You need to process next. Next. And here basically you need to fill all your personal information, your family name, your given name, your male or female, your date of birth, your country name, passport country, and if you are citizen of this country, you can write it yes or no. It's a, all information is your personal information. Okay, like your previous experience, like your previous educations, your family members, all information you need to write it by yourself. Okay, so here I only tell you about how you will fill form. So here I will left this form is empty. Like if I empty, it's not proceed. Okay, so first of all you need to fill all information. It's almost I think 10 to 13 steps you need to fill all informations. Okay, so every person have own information you can fill by yourself. If you had need any help, if you have any confusion, you can mention me in comments. I will try my best to help you. And the next step, how you will find I will recommend you can find some agents, verify agents. So how you will find a verify agents? You need to visit on these websites. Okay, so this is the basically websites, Australian websites, ministry websites. You can find some register agents. We will find, like we will search for register agents. Like if you are from Pakistan, you need to write it here Pakistan. So these are the agents, they are belong to Pakistan. Okay, they have different offices locations. Like he was in Melbourne, he is in Karachi, he is in Bondi, he is in Reservoirs. Mostly agents from they are located in Australia and Pakistan. Okay, if you want to search in from India, like if you are from India, you can search it here. There is almost more than 200 agents from India. Okay, like these agents all from India. Like we will open, like yeah, he's located in Australia, like he's located in Patiala, India. We will open this one, Walia. So this agent's like he belong to like India. Okay, and he is the he has emails, he has phone numbers, he has office location. You can also visit office locations, and I will recommend you please visit only register agents. Okay, don't go to local agents. They will be fraud. So it's better you can go registers migration agents. So this is the Australian government websites. So these are the basically registers. Okay, like if you want to search from Bangladesh, So these are the agents also belongs to Bangladesh. Any country name you can click it here. Like I want to click it here from Lahore. I will write it city name. You can also find agents who are located in who are from Lahore. Like here I will click this one. Like these agents have different offices. Like two offices he has in Australia. One is Pakistan, okay, and Lahore, Asia Pacific Group Lahore, okay. You can find easily, you can visit their offices like Asia Pacific, and they have locations, they have phone numbers, and plus they have email address. You can also send emails to their emails, okay. So this is the basically procedures to find registered migration agents, okay. So I will recommend you, please find only registered migration agents. They will handle your application form. Like this application form you don't need to fill by yourself, okay. Like I will tell you about here especially. Like this form you don't need to fill. If you hire some agents, they will fill all your information, your visa application, which documents you require for this one, your tickets, everything they will handle. You just need to cooperate with them. You need to provide them your information, okay. So today video is related to the only Australian construction visa. So thank you so much. If you need any help, you can mention in comments. I will do my best to help you, okay. Thank you.